We are going to see the functioning of all the button functions in IFB AC remote. So basically this is the power off button wherein you can switch off the AC. So if you press again it will turn on the AC. This is the light button. So it will light the backlit LCD panel. The remote is very lightweight, very easy to hold, and it has a very good form factor. It is ergonomically well designed. The overall design and the color of the LCD panel looks very attractive. This is the mode selection button. Here mode cool means the compressor will cool your room. Dry means it will try to dehumidify your room. Fan means only fan or blower will be running. The actual compressor will not be running, so you will not get cool air. You will only function like a normal regular ceiling fan. Heat means instead of getting cool air you will get hot air. Feel means it is based on fuzzy logic, based on artificial neural networks logic. So it will set the blower speed and temperature in such a way that you will feel comfortable always. Cool means it is based on this temperature. So these two arrows can be used to change the temperature. So this is the desired temperature, which is also shown on a hidden display on the AC unit. If you set this temperature as 29, it means that this AC will try to keep your room temperature at around 29 degrees C. Unlike normal ACs which have 18 to 30 degrees C range of temperature setting, this IFB AC has till 31 degrees C temperature setting. Also on the lower side you can set till 16 degrees C. Unlike other ACs which you can set only in between 18 to 30 degrees C, in this IFB AC you can set in between 16 to 31 degrees C. The purpose of this light bulb button is not only to control the backlight on the AC remote but also display on the AC. For example, if I press this, you can see that the temperature setting 27 is visible on the AC unit. If I press this again, 27 disappears. So if you don't want your AC unit to emit any light, especially during night time, because some people might feel it as disturbance, then they can use this setting. There are 3 fan settings available: fan speed 1, fan speed 2, fan speed 3. That is, now the blower will be running in full speed, but do note that power consumption will be more if you run your fan at full speed. This is fuzzy logic mode, wherein automatically, depending on the room temperature, your fan speed will be automated. So if I press again, it is like your fan will be running in speed 1 now. This swing button with left right arrow is to control the movement of the swing of the blades which move horizontally. The horizontal blades are the innermost blades. They look to be existent vertically, but they move horizontalwards to blow the air horizontally. This button is to control the vertical swing. The super button is used to activate the super cool mode. Whenever you press this, the blower runs at a very high speed and also the compressor motor runs at a very high RPM in order to provide you super cool environment. As you can see here, the temperature is also set to 16 degrees C. If you press it again, then it will be set back to the normal mode. So here this is the health button. Whenever you press this health button, it means that it generates some of the anions to neutralize the free radicals present in air, to neutralize the harmful charges present in the air. But this consumes more power. There is a eco button, which means what ecological saving mode. which saves power. Next we have the timer button, so you can set timer. Say if you want to change the timer, say for example you can change to whatever time you want, say 1 hour, 2 hours, in granularity of 0.5 hours till 24 hours. So whenever you press this and press this once again, it means that a timer is set for 0.5 hours. It means that after half an hour your AC will switch on automatically. If you want to cancel it, you can press this again. Likewise, there is sleep mode. In sleep mode, whenever you press this, the 26 degrees is represented in a dark fashion. Whenever you press the sleep mode, it is dimmed. So some people might feel this 26 degrees LED representation as distracting. So at that time they can activate the sleep mode so that the display will be dimmed, so that it will not create any issues when you are sleeping. And some people get sleep only when they are sleeping in a complete dark room. For those people it is useful. I think this is one of the best AC remotes I have ever seen when compared to the AC remotes of LG, Samsung, Blue Star, Carrier, Sanyo, Onida, and many other AC brands. IFB AC remote is the best in class, and there is no doubt about it. So even when you switch off the AC, you can see the display like this. So when you turn on, you are going to see the temperature, and one dot here which shows fan, one dot here which shows that swing is active. So if you press this again, then the horizontal bars would not be moving in the horizontal direction. Likewise, another two bars will be moving in the vertical direction when this button is active. So you can change the mode, which is dry, fan, heat, feel, cool. It's always an optimal setting to choose cool mode. So yeah, hope you like the video. Do subscribe to our channel.